Compact, faster, robust. Hugong multifunction air cooling fiber laser. Metal welding, cutting, derusting and cleaning. Various choices, upgrade if required. Easy to use operation. Air cooling technology, reducing the size of body by 70%. Weighing as low as 45 kilograms. A lightweight and easy to handle welding torch supports process library storage. A super-sized touchscreen. Control parameters and wire feeding all on one screen with multiple language modes available. All accessories included, ready to use upon arrival. With an air cooling fan and 3-sided heat dispersal, high-duty cycle, with a 10-meter optical cable and a 10-meter gas hose, allows for flexible movement and easy mobility. It is upgradable to support multiple power input modes, making it globally compatible. Experience 4 times speed, efficient operations. No discoloration, no need for post-weld grinding. The welding is firm and crack-free. Metal derust 360-degree contactless. Rust and oxide layer removal, fast and efficient, environmentally friendly and pollution-free. Smooth cutting section, no burrs or slag. Weld seam cleaning, fast cleaning for stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum alloy, and other materials with no dead angles. Hugong Air Cooling Laser Welder, your best choice.